Welcome to the Garage USA. Thanks for tuning in. This week really flew by. So here we are, it's Sunday, and this is the car I'm going to be working on. It is a newer Matchbox Jaguar, very nice car. You know, they put a lot of details on this, so I don't think I'm really going to do much on the exterior of this. Interior looks very, very, very much like plastic, so I'm just going to take this apart, paint the interior, paint this windshield frame, just give it a couple of more details, but really Matchbox did a fantastic job on this particular car. It is a plastic base, so I'll put it in the clamp and use the soldering iron on the posts to heat these posts up, and then this base will just pop right off of this car. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this. This is the Hot Wheels General Mills Totino's pizza car. It is a 77 Packin Pacer. Nice little AMC. It's got the motor in the back of the big exhaust pipes coming out of the back of the hatchback there. Just a really cool little car. It's got the nice wheels on it, white wall tires, pretty sweet looking. Picked this up for my girlfriend because she does enjoy the Totino's pizza. So I had to get this. Now all I got to do is find her a Diet Coke car. So any suggestions on that would be lovely. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some heat to these posts. And just take a little while to get this, get these heated up. And then I will be able to just pry that base away from here. Alright, well that took a little more heat than I thought it would to get this base off, but then the base just comes right off. The wheels and axles just sit in there, so those just pull right out. The interior just lifts right out. And then the windshield. And I'm glad that they don't actually bend these posts over. So that just sits in there. Anyway, I am going to leave the body and paint work absolutely stock. Again, I think Matchbox did a fantastic job on this one. I might do this window trim here, and I'll do the interior. And for the interior, I will be using the Model Master leather paint. Yeah, this color really isn't that much different than the color that it is right now, but I think it'll just take that plastic look away and just make it look a lot more lifelike. I'm going to go ahead and I'll let that dry, and while I do that, I will go back to that Hot Wheels Totino's car. And there we go. Again, a nice looking car here. Totino's pizza. It's got these nice white wall tires, big chrome rims, and again that motor in that back of the hatch just looks fantastic. So there it is, the Hot Wheels 77 Packin Pacer with the Totino's paint scheme on it. Looks fantastic. So now that the interior is all done, I think that actually looks pretty awesome. I'm going to go ahead and switch my attention to the trim around the windshield. And for that I will be using the Testors Flat Black. Some of this detail work is really a challenge. Back in 2013, I actually lost my left eye to cancer, and so I don't have much for depth perception. but I think this is good for me. So what I'm doing is I'm just following, there's a little raised part on this windshield just around the entire windscreen. You can see it across the bottom there, how it's kind of raised up. So I'm just following that and painting that black. I don't think I'm going to try to outline those windshield wipers. You know, it's cool that they're there, but I just don't feel that I could really do those justice. So I'll leave those as is, but I will paint this this bottom edge here and make that black as well. Okay, and now I'm just going to go ahead and let that dry, and as soon as that's dry, I will reassemble the car. Alright, and so now that this is all done and complete, I'll put this back together. So we've got the body, the windshield, the interior, the tires and axles, and the base. And that just clicks back together like that. And there you go. And yeah, I know that normally the windshield frame would actually be the same color as the body color, and then it would just have that smaller rubber seal around the windshield. So I did take a little creative license on that. But I think overall it turned out pretty good. And I think it looks a lot better than it did when I started. So let me know what you think in the comments below. You know, what would you do differently, or if you would do anything differently. So I'd like to thank you for watching this series of videos. If you enjoyed the video that you just watched, go ahead and click like and subscribe. If you have any questions or would like to contact me directly, send me an email at thegaraageusa@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.